Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. In this video, I'm just want to show you one of my favorite setups to trade. It's a 786 to the 236 setup, which is purely just Fibonacci retracements and price action reacting at certain levels. Obviously, you need to get the certain reaction before you make any entries. So yeah, this is it, guys. So on the 1 hour time frame. Alrighty guys, going from the 1 hour time frame to lower time frames. You can see this is the reaction we got at the 786. So the green line is the 786 Fibonacci retracement level. Price got above it, got below, got above it, got below, and then it was on this. I wasn't really trying to short this as it was a bit choppy. However, once I saw one more push above and getting back below, after I saw this reaction here, guys, I pulled a fib from that high to the low, and we actually back tested the 786 whilst hitting the newer 786, which is a double 786 confluence, which is very, very powerful. Gave me lots of confidence to enter short. Entered short, stop loss above the highs, target into 236, guys, and yeah, bang, bang, bang. It took a while, but got there in the end. And one more thing, guys, it's probably a good idea to show you that I was actually in the trade from the beginning. So here's a screenshot of, you can see from that high to the low, got to 786. Which is where we was at, and I entered short, targeting lower levels. More than 2 days trade, 2 days and 11 hours, but well worth it. That's how I like to trade. I like to catch the bigger moves because your stop losses can be nice and tight, especially if you get a nice entry, guys. So yeah, this is the 786 setup, and I want to show you one more, guys. I want to show you one more, so stay tuned. So this trade, guys, literally, this is where I shorted before. We shorted, bang, and then entered long pretty much back to back. And basically it's a 786 from this low to the high. Price literally tapped it, and as soon as I saw we were bouncing on the lower time frames, tapped it, and we actually got below it on the other chart. Got below it. As soon as I started seeing that we were starting to push up, I entered long, stop loss below the low, target into 236, guys. And I want to show you proof for the second trade, which was here. You can see Fibonacci from the bottom to the high, 786 right there. We got the bounce. Zooming into the 5 minute, you can see we got that bounce, and yeah, I actually entered short there. Here you can see on my MetaTrader, stop loss below the low, and yeah, this happened in 11 hours, so 2 days shorter or 2 days less than the previous trade. So yeah, I can pretty much trade, you know, longer term and shorter term. So yeah, in conclusion, this setup is pretty much a 786 to the 236 setup. That's it. As long as you get the reaction at the 786, you can almost bet your life. Okay, that's too far, but you kind of know that 236 is inbound. No matter if we push higher or not, 236 is a safer bet. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. Goodbye. you.